Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olavo Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some new case lineups by the SupCase company for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you like this channel and my content, please consider hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so let's have a look at the first one. So this one is the SupCase Unicorn Beetle. And of course it has the standard military grade material. And on the back, of course, it has the perfect gripping, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, and accurate cutouts. And this is a black color. So let's have a look at it real quick. All right, here we go. Put this to the side, and of course, put this information to the side. But of course, this is your company information if you want to get in contact with them. And here's the case itself. All right. So this one is for the Galaxy Note 20. All right, so let's take a look at the cutouts. You have your bottom cutouts here. There aren't any buttons on this side or cutouts. You have your top cutout and you have your buttons. And of course, you have your camera cutout. Okay, here we go. All right, so you can see that it is indeed two different pieces. So you definitely will get good protection with this case. And then also just take a look at this design on here. It has that carbon fiber design that's on here. Pretty slick looking, as you can see. Probably get a better look here. Look at that. And definitely feels comfortable in the hand as well. So it's not dropping out your hand at all. Next, we have the same case and color, but for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, so we get all this out of here. Get this out of here too. So again, same case, but for the Note 20 Ultra. Let's take a look at those cutouts. All right, so this one is called the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy Note 20. Drop protection, military grade material. All right, so you do get that perfect grip, 360 protection, shock resistant, multi-layer design, and you also get a belt clip holster. All right, so let's check this one out. All right, get all this out of there. Get this off. Put this to the side. And here we have it. All right, so this does swivel or turn, as you can see there. So you can twist this in different directions. And let's go ahead and get this released. Get some more material here. Let's get this out of here. All right. So this is the holster itself. Let's take a look at the cutouts here. You have your charge port cutout here. And of course, no buttons on this side. And you have your top cutout. And you have your buttons. All right, and of course you have your camera cutout. And again, this is dual layer. So let's get this removed. All right, let's see here. There you have it, two pieces. All right, put this back in real quick. And what's also cool about this case, which you probably already see here, it has a kickstand. Just pop that out, and there you have it. pretty cool features on this case. This is for the Note 20 Ultra. All right. Let's get past all of this here. Get rid of this and slide all this off of there. Same color and everything, so in fact I won't take it out because you already seen how the holster look in the kickstand as well. But we could take a quick look at, well, let me just remove it for just for now. Get this out of there. So again, this is your holster. And let's take a look at those cutouts again.